Hi, I'm Lauren with Modern Day Hypnosis, and I'm so happy to present hypnotherapy to you as this truly is a safe, natural, and effective way for changing anything in your life. Anything that can be achieved by your brain or body can be supported by hypnotherapy. And this includes psychological and physiological changes. Okay, let me state I'm not a doctor. Modern day hypnosis does not hold any claim for curing, treating, diagnosing, but things are possible because the truth is that your brain is having an individual subjective experience, and your life is a series of decisions made by your own brain, resulting in perception and experience. Every experience is processed through your mind. And so there is true liberating power waiting for you within your own brain, and modern day hypnosis helps to support you to open up to potentials, to change beliefs, triggers, experiences, confidence, improve relationships, increase performance, help you with focus, release allergies, or other goals like stress reduction and chronic pain or fatigue. The uses for hypnosis are nearly endless, and it is nothing to be afraid of. Instead of losing control, I want you to know that it is always self-hypnosis, and you do not need to believe it or understand it. The power of your brain is unmatched, and your brain is having its own unique experience, vivid and complex. Join me every Monday, 6 p.m. for an experience of professionally guided hypnotherapy, and I'll explain and share techniques that you can self-apply. I thank you for taking this time and watching. This is Lauren with Modern Day Hypnosis.